Here we have our booster combos available for the 64 to 66 Mustangs. Over here we've got our 7-inch dual offering with a 1-inch bore master cylinder, shown here with the optional build aluminum reservoir. This unit's going to work for automatic transmission vehicles. Over here we've got a 7-inch single, again with a 1-inch bore master cylinder, bell crank assembly that actually raises the unit up, allows that clutch linkage to clear underneath it without any trouble. So this can be used in both a manual or automatic transmission. Like any brake booster, these require a minimum of 18 inches of vacuum at idle for proper operation. And because these are a 1-inch bore, they can be used with a 4-wheel drum, a disc drum, or even a disc situation. With all of our Booster Master Combo kits is a complete and detailed instruction pamphlet for each individual application. Included with all of our boosters is a hose kit. Hose kit's going to include a length of 11/32 vacuum hose, intake manifold fitting, along with a syringe bleeder for bleeding the master cylinder. And remember, if you are converting to a disc drum or a disc setup, be sure and order the proper valve for the system.